In this video, I'll guide you through how to create a Hostinger account from scratch, step by step. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what to expect on each screen, and how to complete the sign up smoothly, even if it's your first time using the platform. Let's start right at the beginning. Open your preferred web browser, whether that's Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or anything else you're comfortable with. In the address bar at the top, type in hostinger.com and press enter. Make sure you go directly to the official site so you know you're in the right place and your information stays secure. Once the Hostinger homepage loads, take a moment to let everything appear fully. You'll usually see information about their hosting plans, domains, and promotions. What you're looking for is the option to access your account area. Move your cursor to the top of the page and look for a button or link labeled My Account. This is typically in the top navigation bar. Go ahead and click on My Account. Clicking that will bring you to the login page. Here, Hostinger assumes you might already have an account, so you'll see fields asking for an email and a password. Since you're creating a new account, ignore those fields for now. Instead, look for a link or button that says Sign Up or Create an Account. It's usually located right below the login fields or near them, often highlighted so it stands out. Click on Sign Up to move to the registration form. Now you're on the sign up page where you'll create your new Hostinger account. And this is where you sign up as usual and provide your details to proceed. Hostinger may offer a few different ways to register, such as using an email address directly or connecting through third-party services like a major email provider or social account. If you prefer a straightforward approach, choose the option to sign up with your email. Enter a valid email address that you have access to and check regularly. This email will be important for confirmations, password resets, and important account notifications. Next, you'll need to create a secure password. Choose something that's unique to this account with a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols if possible. Avoid using simple or easily guessed passwords. A strong password helps keep your hosting and any future websites safer. Some versions of the form may ask for your name or other basic details. Fill these in accurately, as having correct information can help with account recovery and support later on. Once you've filled in all required fields, take a quick moment to review what you've entered. Make sure your email is typed correctly and your password is something you'll remember or have stored safely. Before you continue, you may see a checkbox asking you to agree to Hostinger's terms of service or privacy policy. It's a good idea to at least skim these so you understand how your data is handled and what to expect from the service. When you're ready, check the box and then click the button to create or complete your account. After clicking, Hostinger might send a confirmation email to the address you provided. If that happens, open your email inbox, look for the message from Hostinger, and click the verification link inside. Once your email is confirmed, your Hostinger account is fully set up and ready to use. From here, you can log in with the email and password you just created and start exploring hosting plans, domains, and other tools available in your new account.